Welcome to American Accent Training Mini Lesson. Chapter 3, The sound. Although not a common sound, is very distinctive to the ear and is typically American. As its phonetic symbol indicates, is a combination of and To pronounce it, drop your jaw down as if you're going to say then from that position, try to say The final sound is not two separate vowels, but rather the end result of the combination. It is very close to the sound that a goat makes. Meh. The sound. The sound occurs a little more frequently. To pronounce relax your tongue and drop your jaw as far down as it will go. As a matter of fact, put your hand under your chin and say ma, pa, ta, saw. Your hand should be pushed down by your jaw as it opens. Remember, it's the sound that you make when the doctor wants to see your throat. So open it up and drop your jaw. The sound. Last is the schwa or sound. It's the most common sound in American English. Spelling doesn't help identify it because it can appear as any one of the vowels or a combination of them. It is a natural vowel sound, It is usually an unstressed syllable, though it can be stressed as well. Because it is so common, however, the wrong pronunciation of this one little sound can leave your speech strongly accented, even if you Americanized everything else. So it's really, really important to master this sound. Exercise 3.1 ですね、ページ74ページですけれども、こちらによりますと、単語の発音が変わってしまうケースが挙げられています。はい、例えば that, then, as, at, and, have, had, can これらの単語はみんなという音が入っています。でもこれは単語だけで発音した時のみこのような発音になります。もしこれを会話の中で文の中で言うとしたら発音が変わってしまいます。つまりの発音がschwaという音になります。あいまい母音ですね。これを知っておくと本当に会話がスムーズに喋れるようになります。例えば He said that is okay. That is okay. He said that is okay. この顎を動かさなくても喋れるようになりますね。He said that is okay. That is instead of that. ここが動かないようにしましょう。はい。It's bigger than before. It's bigger than before. 顎を動かすと疲れますよね。Bigger than before. Bigger than before. As soon as. As soon as. As soon as. Ham and egg. Ham and egg. Ham and egg. Where have you been? Where have you been? Where have you been? He had been at home. He had been at home. He had been at home. Can you do it? Can you do it? Can you do it? どうですか？この辺動かないですね。ですからエネルギーをたくさんセーブすることができます。schwaサウンドとっても大事ですね。はい。ここに手を置いてやってみてください。Thanks for watching!